back to Big Barn Harley-Davidson here in Des Moines, Iowa, home of Warranty Forever. Today we've got the XG750 here in front of you. This one is in the Bonneville Salt Pearl. It's got a real nice color to it when you get it out in the sun. Some real fine metal flake in it that gives it a nice little sparkle. This is a water-jacketed, water-cooled engine. The pistons are water-jacketed, I should say. It is great for those urban environments, stop-and-go traffic, high-temperature days. It's great for new riders as well as seasoned riders. As you can see, we are outside today. It is a little warmer, and that's why I'm dressed in the Harley gear that's geared more towards the festive summertime. We do sell all this in store. Check it out online as well as on Harley's website or in our store. We do have many great things to offer you. Warranty forever. Test rides, if you got your license, stop in, test ride with us today. Take one for a spin, see what you think. You might fall in love. We do want to see you out here. Make sure to like and subscribe and come test ride with us soon. Hope to see you soon. As I mentioned in the video just earlier to this segment, the apparel I am wearing, head to toe, is all from our store here. So if you do like any of the apparel that you see in these videos, we do have it available for purchase here at Big Barn. A couple of things I did want to point out to you. There's some neat features, and if you come over here for a second, Donnie, I just wanted to show our viewers. On this XG, a real nice feature that you have that some people don't realize because it's not on all the older Sportsters is when the bike's engaged, you do have your miles per hour. You're obviously there. Your miles you traveled, trip A, trip B, the current time, as well as gears and RPMs. So that way you can keep an eye on what gear you're in for those new riders that are kind of just wanting to ease into it and learn, to feel out their bike a little more. This bike, when it is started up, it is a fairly silent bike, so it's not going to disturb your neighbors. And that's with it running, and I'm able to talk over it. So if you've got people with sensitive neighbors, animals that might be scared or spooked, definitely a great option for that. Or something that's not going to be overly intimidating to a new rider. Once again, we hope to see you out here at Big Barn Harley-Davidson. If nothing else, come out, check us out, see what we have to offer. We'd love to earn your business, and we look forward to seeing you.